Morning, Algebra 2. So we're going to go ahead and continue with conditional probability. And what we're going to check out today are what we call two-way tables, which is just a nice way for us to record data when we have different categories involved in a situation. So we're going to jump right into it, and I'm going to show you how we can read these two-way tables. So this table below shows the results of a poll of 50 randomly selected students who were asked whether they prefer to watch hockey or football. Find each probability. Okay, so check it out. We have boys and girls, and we have the ones that prefer football and the ones that prefer hockey. And as you can see, we can get a lot of information from this. We know that there's 28 total boys who answered, right? And there's going to be 22 total girls. We know looks like we do 18 plus 6, that's 24 total prefer football, and then 26 prefer hockey total. So we can break it down pretty easily here. So here we have the probability that someone prefers football given that they're a girl. So we have the probability that someone prefers football given that they're a girl. So first we have to think about the probability that they're a girl. There's 22 girls, right? So we're going to have 22 in the bottom there. And the chance that they prefer football is 6 out of those 22. So we can reduce that a little bit and divide everything by 2, and we get 3 out of 11. And the next one is the probability that the person is a boy given that they prefer hockey. So first we have to decide how many people prefer hockey. There's 10 plus 16, that's 26 people prefer hockey. So that's going to go in our denominator. And then the number of boys is 10 out of those 26. So we say 10 out of 26. This guy also reduces, divide everything by 2, and we get 5 out of 13 chance that they are a boy that prefers hockey. Right, so let's continue on and look at a few more here. Right, so this next guy, we have the table shows the results of a poll of 150 randomly selected middle school students who were asked if they take French or Spanish. So we have 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, right? And then we also have whether they prefer French or Spanish. So this first one says, what's the probability a 7th grader who takes French? Probability of choosing a 7th grader who takes French. So let's think about it. We have 150 total people, right? And a 7th grader who takes French, there's 25 of those. So we would do 25 over 150, reduce that. 25 goes into both of them, we just get 1 over 6. Okay, so that one was a little bit easier because you'll notice this wasn't conditional. We didn't have that little slash in the middle. For part B, what's the probability of it being an 8th grader if they take Spanish? So first we have to see how many people take Spanish. So we have to add up 23, 12, that's 35, plus 33, that's 68. So we have 68 total take Spanish, and 33 of those are 8th graders. So we do 33 out of 68. I don't think that guy reduces, so that would be our answer. Okay, so go ahead and try C and D. Okay, so pause it and then jump back in when you're ready. So this one is the probability that someone takes French if they are a 6th grader. So first, do the total number of 6th graders. It's 19 plus 23. That's going to be 42. So we have 42 total 6th graders. And the probability of them taking French is there's 19 of them. And that one doesn't reduce, so we keep it just like that. And for this last one, the probability that we choose a 7th grader, given that they take French. So the total number of people taking French is 19 plus 25 plus 38. That's 82. And the probability of it being a 7th grader who takes French is going to be 25 out of those 82. We got our answer. Okay, so let's check out number 6. And how about you guys just give it a try on your own? Okay, it says the table shows the results of a poll of randomly selected juniors and seniors who were asked if they attended prom. Okay, so we got a list of how many juniors, how many seniors, and who said yes and who said no to attending prom. Okay, so pause it and unpause when you're ready. First off, we have probability that is not conditional. Probability of junior that did not attend prom. So junior that didn't attend prom, there's 56 of them, right? Out of 200 total, right? We said there's 200 Sorry, if you add all these guys up, we end up with 200. So that guy reduces, 8 goes into both of them. So divide both sides by 8 to reduce it, and you get 7 out of 25. Next up, we have a conditional probability that the person we choose did not attend prom, given that they're a senior. So first off, we have to see how many seniors we have. 97 plus 19 is 116. And the number that didn't attend prom who are seniors are 19. So we do 19 out of 116. And then for C, probability that we choose a junior given that they attended prom. So let's check out the number of people who attended prom. 28 plus 97, that's 125. And the number of juniors out of that group is 28. There we got our answer. Okay, so what I want you to do to practice is go to homework 3 and complete numbers 12 and 13 for me. Homework 3, numbers 12 and 13. There's also a quiz waiting for you in the classwork tab. Please get it done as soon as possible.